Magandang araw mga kabusog! Ikalawang beses ko nang nabisita ang Italy at ibang-iba talaga ito sa Pilipinas. Mahalagang parte ng kultura ng Italy ang sining at arkitektura at kitang-kita ito sa kanilang malaking simbahan tulad ng St. Peter's Basilica kung saan makikita ang Pieta at pati na rin sa Sistine Chapel kung saan makikita ang The Creation of Adam ni Michelangelo. Italians also look very different from Filipinos. They're generally tall, fair-skinned, have pointed noses, and also speak a different language. But what I enjoyed most, of course, was the food. Italy is home to pizza and pasta. Name it, they have carbonara, tortellini, and amatriciana among their pastas. Pizza also comes in various types such as Napolitana, Tonda Romana, and Margherita. What makes them appealing to the palate are the fresh ingredients used. Sa aking muling pagbisita, lalo ko natanto ang pagkakaiba ng Pilipinas sa ibang bansa. Ngunit hindi ibig sabihin ito na dapat silang kaingitan. Sa pagkakaiba-iba ng bawat tao, kultura o bansa, mas makikita ang kahusayan ng Diyos. God didn't create the world in mass production, making everything look the same. Rather, He took time to design each one of us to be different. Most importantly, unique. This realization led the psalmist to proclaim to God, I praise you because I am wonderfully made. Wonderful are your works. Makikita sa bawat isa sa atin at sa ating pagkakaiba ang tunay na husay at malikhaing isip ng Diyos Amang lumikha. Ito din ang kanyang pagpapahayag ng pagmamahal sa ating lahat. Yun. God bless everyone.